If you're in menopause, thinking about HRT, or already on it, and still not feeling like yourself, then this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you why it's absolutely possible to balance your hormones and feel good again without relying on HRT, and what to do instead to help your body naturally find its rhythm again. I'm Sarah Knight, a qualified fasting and nutrition coach, and I help midlife women in their menopausal years take back control of their energy, mood, and metabolism by working with their biology, not against it. So many women I speak to tell me the same thing. Everyone around me is on HRT. Maybe that's what I need too. I'm scared not to take it. What if my symptoms get worse? I thought it would fix everything, but I still feel absolutely exhausted, anxious, and flat. There's this quiet belief that menopause means your body has failed and that you need hormones to feel whole again. But that's not true. Menopause isn't a deficiency, it's a natural transition. And your body still knows exactly how to find balance when it's supported the right way. When stress is high, blood sugar's unstable, and your body's always in go mode, your cells stop responding to hormones properly, both your natural ones and the ones you might be taking. That's why so many women on HRT still feel tired, foggy, or inflamed. It's not the dose, it's the environment inside your body. So instead of adding more hormones, we need to teach your body to use the ones it already has. Here's where fasting, done the right way for women in menopause, changes everything. Fasting isn't about restriction. It's about creating space for your body to rest, repair, and rebalance. When you fast, your insulin drops, inflammation calms, and cortisol lowers, all of which allow your hormones to work as they're meant to, naturally. This is how you rebuild communication between your brain, metabolism, and hormones without relying on HRT. Start simple. For the next 7 days, try a 13-hour overnight fast. That means finish dinner by 7 p.m. If you do want something to drink after this time, just stick to water, nothing else. Go to bed, and then in the morning, that first drink when you wake, make it a glass of water with a pinch of Celtic sea salt. The salt helps replenish minerals your body uses overnight, especially that of sodium, potassium, and magnesium, all of which support your adrenals and help maintain that steady energy through the morning. Then have your first meal after 8 a.m. When you break your fast, make it a savoury one and not sweet. Example, salmon and avocado, scrambled eggs with spinach, or even last night's leftovers. Avoid fruit-heavy or sugary breakfasts. They'll only spike your blood sugar and undo the balance your body worked hard to build overnight. So before you decide HRT is the only way forward, give your body a chance to show you what it can do on its own. Try the 13-hour fast and then come back here and tell me what you noticed with your sleep, your mood, your energy. I'd love to hear your experience in the comments, because every story you share helps another woman realize her body isn't broken. It's simply waiting to be supported.